Good morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Joe Cioffi. Welcome to Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes as we get going on this Monday. That cold front came through and basically cleaned house around here, which is a nice thing. And now it's offshore. We've got this high that is coming down from the Great Lakes. So you can see it right there, centered right in that area. And you've got another high that's up to the north, a really nice flow from the northwest coming in on the backside of that front. So all that dry air, by the way, making it all the way down into the mid-Atlantic states and beyond. So this is a good thing, and we are going to enjoy two very, very nice days here in the Northeast and in the mid-Atlantic states. The temperatures are going to see the biggest impact out of all of this. Here's the U.S. satellite view for this morning. And we've got last night's cold front, of course, well offshore. We've got these showers and thunderstorms going on through from the southern plains on up through the middle Mississippi Valley. It's a fairly narrow band, but all of this area in here is nice and dry, all of that. And we are going to participate in this until we get the next cold front, which is not going to really bother us or get anywhere close here until later Wednesday night and on Thursday. Here's our close-up satellite view of the Northeast and those storms. This is from last night when the thunderstorms were rolling through. And now I'm going to just give it a refresh here. And of course, all the storms are offshore and we are in very, very good shape. Radar this morning, storms well out to the east. Those are those storms that we were talking about up in the plain states. So I've just kind of jumped ahead here on the weather maps, and we really don't have too much to worry about. A little bit of a breeze today, a couple of fair weather clouds, and that's it. The high moves down into Virginia on Tuesday and then off the Carolina coast Tuesday night. So we'll start the warm-up on Wednesday, and that will produce a few showers in upstate New York. So that's decided there's a warm front there. But it's really very, very nice throughout much of the mid-Atlantic states and up to us. Wednesday, it'll be a warmer, more humid day, and then we're going to have to start talking about the next front with showers and thunderstorms. There's a risk of severe weather across the mid-Atlantic states, Maryland, Virginia, maybe even into southern Pennsylvania and southernmost New Jersey late Wednesday and Wednesday night. And then this front is going to take its time getting through here on Thursday. So if it gets hung up a bit, we could see a threat for showers and thunderstorms for Thursday from southern Pennsylvania to southern New England until that low clears out to the east. One good piece of news from what I've been seeing is the fact that after this weather front goes by, the key to the forecast for the latter part of the week is getting this frontal boundary to find its way far enough to the south. And it seems that that may very well be the case. You've got low pressure down in the southern plains, but if this frontal boundary winds up pushing further south than what the last one did, then we could have another push of dry air come down from the north and create some decent weather conditions for Friday and for this coming weekend. It's not 100% sure yet, but I think there's a fair chance that we could see this frontal boundary move down into the Carolinas. And of course, that's going to benefit the areas in the Carolinas that have been just begging for rainfall. So all of this zone is going to wind up with some much needed shower and thunderstorm activity, but we will stay out of it. And I think a lot of folks would like a break from all of this stormy weather that we've had. High temperatures today are going to be a bit on the subdued side, of course, as we said, only in the 60s, near 70. Look at these really cool temperatures for this afternoon from Maryland all the way up into New England. Some places not even getting out of the 50s. And here we are for Tuesday, upper 60s to mid 70s. We'll nudge them a little bit higher. Wednesday, we'll see sunshine and clouds, temperatures back up mid 70s to low 80s, thunderstorms late in the day, and more than likely Wednesday night into Thursday, which again will be a day of upper 70s and low 80s. No real hot weather in sight as we run through the rest of this week and into this weekend. That's one thing about this weather pattern. It just can't get hot. It can get warm, it can get humid, and it can get wet, but it just really can't get hot. All right, folks, have a great day. Don't forget to download my weather app on Google Play or on the App Store. Just search meteorologist Joe Cioffi. That's Monday's Weather in 5 days in 5 minutes. Check out website posts throughout the day, and we will see you tomorrow.